Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Pocket Network token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Pocket Network is a decentralized data platform that provides censorship resistance infrastructure for Web3 applications using a global network of nodes and native token to coordinate incentivized data delivery. Decentralized infrastructure, it acts as a decentralized alternative to service like infra routing data requests through a distributed network of nodes to avoid single points of failure. Universal Data Fabric, its core protocol enable applications to access data from over 50 blockchains and with upgrades can support AI models, Web2 APIs and other open data sources. Token driven economy, the POKT token is the network's economic heart used to pay for services, rewards node operators and govern the protocol within a built-on deflationary mechanism ties to usage. Pocket Network token total supply is 2.37 billion and circulating supply is also 2.37 billion POKT token. POKT token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, BitHum, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.